Hey y'all, it's your girl Chef Kyra and welcome back to another episode of New York Eats. Welcome to my food channel where we talk about everything nice, sugar and spicy, baby. So for today, we are gonna be making something that is a breakfast meal, a classic breakfast meal. Now y'all, I know fast food isn't really that good for you, right? But for all my McDonald's lovers, you get what I'm saying? Because who don't love McDonald's? Okay? We're gonna make my favorite breakfast sandwich from McDonald's, my absolute go-to, the sausage egg McMuffin. So I went out and got me some English muffins, I got me some sausage, and we got some eggs in the fridge. So for this episode, I'm just gonna show you how to make a sausage egg McMuffin from scratch at home, okay? For them times where you just want a little something that's a little bit fresher than actually getting it from McDonald's, but it's good enough for it to be made at home. So let's just get into it. Let's get into my favorite breakfast. Oh, and also I've also purchased some hash browns, so it's just like it's gonna be so good, y'all, and I'm hungry, so come on, let's get this episode started. All right, y'all, let's go. All right, y'all, so for this meal, I'm just gonna show you some of the things that you're gonna need. It's gonna be super duper simple. A lot of the stuff that you may already have in the house. So I went to Walmart. I wasn't able to find like sausage patties that were gonna be large enough to fit. So you're gonna get some ground sausage. We're gonna have some butter, some American cheese, yellow or white, but I personally prefer yellow. But unfortunately we don't have yellow in the house, so just get you some American cheese or whatever cheese of your desire. Hash brown, some Thomas English muffins. Y'all, when I tell you, like, if you're not gonna be making no English muffins from scratch, Thomas English muffins are like the bomb. Like, it's my go-to. It's the only brand that I go for, and on top of that, like, I love their bagels too. So, and then we got a little salt as per usual, some pepper, and then the cutest little egg ring ever. Check this out. I found this at Walmart for like $2-3 bucks, and you look at your baby, he's so cute. So I don't know, I like talking to my food. I mean, I guess that's kind of weird. And then you're just gonna want some oil and water to help with the egg cooking. And so let's just get started, y'all. Alright, y'all, so the first thing that we're gonna start off with is the sausage. So I took about this amount of ground sausage, and what we're gonna do is kind of just massage it in your hand, get it worked in with itself, and then what we're gonna do is smush it out into a patty. Now you want it to be thin enough and spread out enough so that, like, when it does cook, it doesn't shrink up on you. And if you want, you can even use the egg ring to kind of give you more of a circular shape. And I just have a cast iron pan here on the stove, and we're just gonna add some oil and just let this bad boy cook up. Alright, and that's what you want your patty to look like. So about that thin and that wide. So in the meantime, while you have your sausage patty resting, you can get your oil heated up for your hash brown set up, and then also butter up some English muffins. Alright, y'all, so now we have our sausage patty in the cast iron pan with a little oil. And we're just gonna let that cook down and do what it needs to do. And like I said, you're getting your oil heated up for your hash brown. I'm so excited, y'all. You don't understand, I'm hungry. Alright, y'all. So now that we have our sausage off to the side cooking, you want to get your egg going. So like I said, I got my cute little egg ring. Check him out. I'm gonna get a little butter in the pan, right? You don't want your heat on your pan to be too high. You want like a nice spacious pan so that the egg can cook properly. So now you got some butter in the pan, and then off to the side, what you want to do is spray the interior, so the inside of the ring, so that your egg doesn't end up sticking. So now I have my little ring. It's all oiled up, and we're just gonna wait for the butter to kind of melt down and get situated. And you want your pan to be at least like a medium low heat. Right, so now that we got our butter all nice and melted, we are going to place the ring inside the middle of the pan. And we're gonna get our handy dandy egg, and we're just gonna crack it right into the pan. And for this part, you just want to be gentle. Make sure you take your time. And it's up to you when you want to season the egg. So you can season it now or either after. And so once you see that your egg starts to cook towards the bottom a bit, and we're just going to add some salt. Just a touch. And just a touch of black pepper. So once it's gotten to this part for your egg, what you want to do is have some water on the side, and you're just going to pour enough. So basically the concept is kind of like making creme brulee. So now we're going to put our lid on top, and we're just going to let our egg cook. And this is going to be like a McDonald's egg, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I just have the oven on broil. And while our egg and our sausage is finishing up cooking, we're just going to toast our English muffin. Alright, pro tip, y'all. So for this part, what you want to do is you want to make sure that once your English muffin is toasted to your desired toast, right, you want to slap that cheese on, right? Slap the cheese on for the bottom half of the English muffin, right? And then that's how you're going to get that melted cheese effect, right? Just a pro tip. Check it out, y'all. It is completed. Check it out. McDonald's breakfast at home. Okay? McDonald's breakfast at home. Look at that, y'all. I mean, like, look at that. You hear the crunch, the crisp. Look at the... Oh! Oh! I'm loving it. Hello? Check me out. So good, y'all. Simple, easy recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode of New York Eats. Welcome to my food channel. What we talking about? Everything nice, sugar and spice, baby. But now, y'all, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you found it easy to complete. Let me know how your English, your sausage egg McMuffin goes out at home. And just check it out. Another look, another look, y'all. All right, y'all, catch you in the next one.